Hello, what's up? Today I want to talk about how to find the median of two sorted arrays. So the question goes like this. There are two sorted arrays, array 1 and array 2 of size m and n respectively. Find the median of the two sorted arrays. The overall runtime complexity should be O of log m plus n. You may assume array 1 and array 2 cannot be both empty. So what is a median? Given a list of numbers, if the count of the numbers is an odd number, then our median should be the middle element. So you can get the index for that number by using length divided by 2 and get the max floor value. But naturally, when the length is odd, when you do the divide, you will just get the right solution. It's going to be an integer. So when the list of numbers, the length property is an even number, then we need to plus the middle elements together and divide them by 2. So what we actually are doing here is use this element here by accessing the index length divided by 2 minus, no need minus, just length divided by 2. Then we can access the elements before this element by using length divided by 2 minus 1. So in the end, we get 4 plus 5 divided by 2, and our answer should be 4.5, and that's going to be our median number. So for example, we have this, let's list down these two scenarios when the length is odd and when the length is even, and write our solution. So the step 1 would be concat the arrays into a new array, then sort the new array, then return the median based on the new array length. So pretty straightforward. Let's write our solution. So this function should be called find median. Okay, of two arrays. Let's be extra explicit, taking array 1 and array 2. And in here we need a new array, so just let array equals to, we can use spread here, so array 1 comes first, array 2 comes second. Then for step done, we can do sort the new array. So array dot sort is passing a anonymous function. For A comes before B, return the result of A minus B. If A minus B is smaller, it's a negative number, meaning A is smaller than B, so we can stay, we don't need to swap the values. But if A is actually bigger than B, then the value should be a positive value. So in that case, we will swap A and B and have B comes before A instead. So that's the callback we are trying to express. So this should return us with incrementing array from position 0 to the end. All right. So next will be return the median. So we could just return the median. So return median equals to, all right, array. Okay, now we should check whether the length property is an odd or even number, right? So we can do array dot. So I think the best way here is just, let's give the median index a fixed placeholder, because we are going to use that value a lot. So array dot length divide by, this divide by 2, and let's wrap it in a max floor function so we can get the closest integer that's smaller than this value. All right, I think that's going to be our median. Okay, so return median if our array dot length get the remainder of it when divided by 2. So this would be it, equals to So when we are trying to get a reminder when divided by 2, we are checking this property whether it's odd or even number. So it's going to be just 1 or 0, you know. So we can check either one. So in this case, let's check if it's an odd number first. So we can straightforwardly tell our median to be array at the index of our median index. Or else, meaning the Length property is odd number, then we return a bracket first. So it's going to be adding the 2 elements in the middle, array at the index of median index -1 on the left, plus array at median index, and in the end we divide the result by 2. Yeah, I think that's going to output the right solution. And then let's just console.log find median of 2 arrays, and passing the array 1 and array 2. So this should give us a result of 4. So let's check our solution. 4. And let's check the other scenario. 4.5, correct. And so this is typically, if you're worrying about the runtime complexity, all right. So for Chrome, usually when our array size is smaller than the length property is smaller than 10, we will use insertion, because in that case, typically insertion is faster when we call sorting method. And when the length property is exceeding 10 values, we will use quick sort automatically inside our default sorting function. So it's the worst case for quick sort, it would be log n. So our result will be log m plus n, since we have integrated, you know, this new array to be the last property of m plus n. I don't know if yeah, that would be the case. So we can actually write our function this way. That won't be a problem. So I think that's about it. It's definitely going to be a very simple and naive function. There's a lot of ways that we can actually improve upon this solution and make it even faster. If I find a really clean and easy to understand solution, I will make sure to share with you. So that's about it. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.